apricot.
Oh, what are these? This one?
The middle one is apricot.
Oh no,
These are peaches.
Yeah.
Those are apricot.
And I think if we saw your.
This way, Mom, this way.
No, 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 no.
Get over here.
Yes,
You want
it's
me
a
to do the
plum.
upside down worm?
And the one on the right is big.
We got to look at the teepee. Yeah, have that back a ways, even though we can sit on it.
No, 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 no.
Let me back up some more. It's a little faded because of the way.
Ready, ready, jump.
All right, go ahead. No. Matt, you're right in front of the pole. Wait, let me move over. Okay, keep going. Back up. Stephanie, back up. All right, I'm going to move over to the opening.
Slide. Ready?
Stick that in the fire. It's good for a big chop on it. Chop, chop. It's a roulette method of cutting firewood. Really?
Let me turn around.
Check that one out. The tape on. That was right.
I won't video when Louie's eating. Open the zipper some more.
Okay.
Can you do that without? Open it without falling out, okay?
It's open all the way.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
We just said that a minute ago.
She didn't hear you.
Mom.
A little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna go back over the other way. It's better over there.
Watch this, Stephanie. Just kind of watch. I'm not even moving. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Watch this, Mom.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Was that James? They come out the back end?
Jay!
Oh wait, I gotta do this.
I could have started the fire with that if I was pointing in the right direction.
You jump over the thing.
What the hell was that?
Wait. What was it? What was it?
A firework?
Firework.
Need to change some underwear, bud. That was some fireworks you had coming out of there.
Don't be. Ow! My arm went numb.
Fuego.
Don't hit it again.
Fire. If anybody gets
It's
fire,
still watch
I'll
this.
flank them. Okay.
Okay.
Susan. Ready, watch this.
No, I'm gonna watch. Your dad's gonna light it.
Oh, I'm watching.
You gotta find something to light it with.
Oh, great.
You probably need some matches. Where are they?
Okay, watch me. Ready?
All right, this is the last time.
Okay, I'm going up.
No, just keep watching me. Come on, Dad, get back.
Sit on me at all times.
I can do it with Matt jumping around. Watch, go, Matt.
No, I'm really tired.
Matt, around.
I'm really
That's what we eat. We already ate
I
that.
know, right now I'm like. Drop higher.
And every time I feel like when I'm sleeping, I feel like I'm on my way. Like I feel like I'm going like up and down.
Go, Uncle Jay. Go, Uncle Jay.
I thought you said go Uncle
That
Jake.
leg look like it's not this one, the other one. This is you see?
The one over there.
Balls is fucking too bad.
The one with the
That's
black
two matches.
Nothing.
I saw you.
Dad, make a fire. Put it towards the fire.
I'm going back.
Wait.
Why are you doing cute?
I guess it's gonna explode.
Yeah.
It kind of does that. It's been sitting for a while though.
Right,
Usually
fuel-
if you
fuel
pour it
look-
on and then light it, the gas usually kind of how it happens.
That fuel looked kind of brown, didn't it?
Shorty's in the club.
What's that?
Chelsea sing for
Kerosene,
us.
diesel, maybe?
Chelsea's a great singer.
Oh, yes.
Watch this, ready?
Waiting.
Ready? Watch this, ready?
You
My
want
legs are gonna be straight.
No, I'm in charge of video.
Video stuff.
Matt, can you like this?
Uh-oh.
I'm not feeling too safe anymore.
I'm dead now.
Come stand on the dot.
Is this kerosene or what is it?
Two cycle or diesel or what was it?
Some orange juice.
How old is that fluid, Louie?
Is it kerosene?
It's Arco Fresh, probably about a week ago.
Wow.
It's pretty dark.
Bottles and
What was in the container before?
Methane.
ready? Watch this,
Oh.
Matt.
Now watch. Alright, watch.
There we go.
There
Woo!
we are.
Go ahead, Louie. It's okay.
Quit calling me a goat head.
Go forward.
Matt,
Move ahead.
check, yeah.
Tattoo detective.
Color.
Check.
Oh.
Check, check,
I
check.
know.
Two.
Jim, so can you see?
Yeah, he got some color.
Red, yeah. It was a nice day at the beach today. This
It was freezing.
It was cold at the beginning.
I caught on fire.
But
I
then
was working at my mom's house, which is probably about a mile
You know,
in
watch
from the
out, watch
coast,
out.
and it was cold all day, so it must have just been right at the.
right at like PCH.
Really?
And then my legs were like melt.
But the second
Yeah,
time
it cleared up.